Hey guys, this is your boy Sidako and you are welcome to my channel. This is Sidako Tech Lab. Without wasting much time, I just want to show you how you'll be able to do some sort of cool typing. You understand? I want you to avoid typing. This is a very serious feature which we all can use. Now, you could see what you are actually viewing on your screen. All these text here was done without typing. Yes, you ask why and how. All these things were done without typing. All these. So with those who have been typing and what have you, I'm just going to show you a quick method of how you'll be able to avoid typing using the keyboard and stuff. How do we do that? You just have to log on to your WhatsApp and then probably you hit to any person's DM, but I will choose message yourself. Then when you come here, you tap in the message box and you click on this button here. So what you are going to do is that on the keyboard section, you click on this button here, which is the microphone here. You tap on it and it will tell you to what? To speak. It's being recorded, live and colored as I tap on the microphone. So you see how I've been able to get all these things. So whatever being recorded, live and colored. You can do this as many as you want to get over 1,000 words. If you are typing, if you have a project, you have anything that you are working on, you can just say it audio or voice and it will be converted into text for you as soon as possible. But note, whatever you do and you copy this information, you must make sure you proofread or you edit it, because it is very important to go through whatever you have before you print it out. So what I do is that after getting all the text, I just tap and hold it. I will select copy like this. And I will go and launch any word processing software that you have on your phone. I'll just launch my WPS. And then I will create a new document like this. I'll create a new document and I'm going to paste everything that I've copied from the WhatsApp. So when I copy it into the WPS, I will then save it. So I'll go to file, I'll go to save as, and maybe I'll give it a name. So you pick a location where you want to save the file and then you give it a name. So let's say voice to text note. Then I will save it. You understand? So with this, I can edit it anytime I want to. I can copy it to my laptop and then start editing it in maybe Microsoft Word or what have you. So guys, that is what I've got for you. I'll come your way with another way of also converting this text to audio as well. Please, if you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel if you are new here. Click on the like button, comment, and please share this video. And then under the comment section, I want to hear where you are watching from, and please, how this has also helped you. You consider also making it or giving to me in the comment section. Thank you for watching. This is your boy Sidako. I'm out.